Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is Deegee Chef from the stables. Today we do a quick, very innovative dish, something that will bring a smile, a surprise, or even warm, happy feelings. We take jackfruit today, or cuttle as we call it here in central and northern India, to make a delightful croquet or cutlet.
Hi guys, I also have the celebrity with me, my dear friend, Chef Sanjeev Verma here, overlooking operations today.
We had already boiled the jackfruit meat in a salted turmeric water. We add 4 teaspoons of oil in a pan. When hot, we will add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, chopped ginger and garlic, and saute for 45 seconds. We then add 2 sliced onions and cook till the onions are tender and translucent. We will now add the boiled jackfruit cubes to this and cook well for 2 minutes. Use the ladle to mash this into a mixture. Continue to then add half teaspoon of garam masala to bring out the flavor, which you will realize will actually burst through as you bite into these layers of food experience. Add another half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of red chili powder. Finish with 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Continue to cook and mix this well. Soon you will see that this mixture is dry and that's the right time to take it off the heat. We will use any bread crumbs. You could make them at home or use the panko bread crumbs from the market. Finely grate 3 boiled potatoes, add salt to taste and chopped coriander leaves and mix very well. Oil your palms and make 3-inch thin patties of the jackfruit mixture. Cover that with the potato mash we just made. Don't worry too much about the potato, just keep ensuring that you cover your surprise very well. We will then crumb this patty and shallow fry. Shallow frying allows us to relax as we don't have to worry about the patty breaking up. Drop the patty into the hot oil and turn when the sides are crispy. Should take less than 1 minute on each side. We plate this with fresh mint and coriander dip, and we've just added the nasturtium flour for color and vibrancy. You do know that this is an edible flour. Here you go, guys, a delightful brunch or evening dish. Cheers, do give it a try. Bye bye.